Hi, I'm Steph, and today I'm going to add the float bags into my Oru Kayak inlet. And these are important in case you capsize in your kayak. This will help keep your boat afloat, otherwise it will sink, which I showed in a previous video. So these are just a safety feature that's nice to have. And these are the Oru branded ones, but I think really any float bag will probably work. But I'll show you how I put these into my Oru inlet kayak. All right, so I'm gonna put this float bag here in the boat, and you can blow this up, but I don't want to do that. So I actually have a power inflator here that I'm gonna use real quick to inflate the bag. Then I'm just going to lock it off there, and I can come here and I can close it up, making sure to keep the part that you blow it up with inside of the boat. Then I'll make sure I secure everything down. So this is the same process. Just put the float bag inside here and blow it up. Then I'll lock this down again, and I'm gonna make sure that this is all in here. And then I will close it up. And Oru says to inflate it a little bit and then check to make sure to see how inflated it needs to be to fit it in the boat. But I pretty much inflate it most of the way, and that will fit into the boat. And there you go, that's how you add the float bags to the Oru. And then when I'm done, I will just take them out and deflate them and kind of let them naturally deflate. But this is a really nice pump. This actually is from a company called Haven Tents, and they are the manufacturers of the tent I use when I'm camping. But it works for these float bags as well, and it has this little adapter on it. So I'll put a link to this, but there's probably some on Amazon as well that would work. Or you can manually inflate them with your breath. You're welcome to do that. And do I use them always? No. But are they important? Yes, to safety for sure. And another thing that's important for safety is this is a bilge pump. So if I was to fall out of my kayak and need to get back in, there's going to be water inside. And so this will allow me to pump out the water really quickly. So not super fun to carry with you, but important. I also was on a trip recently where someone had fallen out, and we helped them get the water out of their boat with this. So always good to have the safety things with you. All right, that's it. Thanks for joining, and have a great day.